everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry. I know it's been a minute since I've had a video. I've been really busy lately, but today I decided to stop by and give you a short video on how I apply this iron transfer decal onto a plain t-shirt. I got these 6-pack images from Amazon. I'm going to leave the details in the description box if you're interested in purchasing it. They're really beautiful and it was really easy to install it. So right now I'm just showing you the different images, and somewhere throughout the video I'm going to show you the process on how I go about transferring this image to the t-shirt. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I thank you guys so much for always stopping by and for checking out my video. I appreciate you all always. Without further ado, we're going to continue the video. Enjoy and stay safe. Bye bye.